Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at compound probability without replacement. Remember that a compound event includes two or more simple events such as flipping a coin and rolling a number cube all at the same time. Without replacement, it just means to take it out and to do not return it. So you take something out and you keep it. Don't put it back in with the rest of whatever you took out. So let's look at the same bag of marbles. We have 4 red, 5 green, 3 purple, 4 black, and 3 blue, and 1 pink marble in a bag. And this time we want to know what are the odds of selecting a green marble. And this time they're keeping the marble out and then selecting a pink marble. So again, we're selecting 2 marbles, so this will be 2 fractions that we multiply together. I want to know the odds of getting a green. So we haven't taken anything out yet. When we add all these marbles up, remember from the other day, this equals 20 marbles total. So nothing has been taken out yet, and we want to know the odds of getting a green. So a green is 5 out of 20, so that's going to go in the first fraction, and then we're going to keep it out. So now that we took out a green, there's no longer 5 greens, there's 4 greens, and now the total has dropped to 19 because we're keeping it out and then selecting a pink marble. So there is 1 pink, and now that we took one of the marbles out, there's only 19 marbles left. So our new fraction is 1 over 19 for the pink. So this is green and this represents pink. So like always, we're just going to multiply straight across. 5 times 1 is 5. 20 times 19 we need to figure out. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 2 is 18. Add a 0. 0 times 1 is 0. And then 1 times 2 is 2. And that is going to equal 380. So 5 over 380 is our fraction. Now, this is not in simplest form. So if this were to be a multiple choice question, we probably would not see 5 over 380. We do need to simplify this. This ends in a 5, and then the second number ends in a 0, so I know that they are both divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and then we have to figure out what's 380 divided by 5 to simplify it. 5 goes into 38 7 times. 5 times 7 is 35. When we subtract, there's 3 left over. Bring down the 0. 5 goes into 30 6 times. So 5 over 380 is the same as 1 out of 76. So the odds of taking out a green and keeping it and then taking out a pink is 1 out of 76 times. Alright, let's look at the second one. So it says, what is the probability of selecting a blue and then selecting another blue marble? And this is without replacement. So that means that we are going to keep the first blue marble. So we're going to take out a blue without replacement and then take out another blue. So again, since there are 2 blue marbles, 2 fractions that we're going to multiply together to get our answer. The odds of 1 blue, so let's see. So there are 3 blues total, and remember, we're back to our total of 20. Okay, so we're pretending like the first question never happened. We're back to our total of 20. In fact, I want to change colors here. So there are 3 blue out of 20 total. Now we took that blue out and we kept it. So now this blue number has gone down to a 2. And remember our total was 20. Well, now There's no longer 20. There's 19 that we took out the first blue marble. And then we want to know the odds of selecting another blue without replacement. Remember, we took that blue marble out, and so that's what caused the blues to be 2, and then our total's 19. So the odds of a second blue is now 2 out of 19 because one blue was taken away. We subtracted 1, and then one marble in general was taken away, so we subtracted 1 for that number as well. So let's go ahead and multiply straight across. So 3 times 2 is 6. 20 times 19, we did that earlier. 20 times 19 is 380. Okay, so when we multiplied, we got 6 over 380. And if this was a multiple choice question, I bet this answer would not be there. We do need to simplify. Both of these numbers are even numbers, so we can divide by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and then we need to do 380 divided by 2. 2 goes into 3 one time. With 1 left over, bring down the 8. 2 goes into 18 9 times. Minus 18, which is 0 left over. There's this extra 0 underneath, so we're just going to bring that straight up, and our answer is 190. So to select a blue and to keep it and then to get another blue is 3 out of 190. Alright guys, that's compound probability without replacement. Remember that without replacement means that we are keeping something, we're not putting it back in, and so the total number does go down. Thank you guys for watching.